Always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Good evening. So we have our winter weather advisories and our winter storm warnings that are going into effect at 7 o'clock tonight. But if we look at Storm Track Live, you can see that it's still very quiet and we're getting closer and closer to 7 o'clock. But the storm is on its way. Right now we're starting to see this shield of moisture. Still a little bit of rain rolling through Indianapolis, but notice this cold air is starting to merge on in near Omaha. And this entire batch of moisture is going to continue to slide towards us in West Michigan. And you can see just how much is here. That's why it's going to be a long duration event. We're going to start to see some light accumulations overnight tonight, starting to creep into the southwest corner of our state at around 10 o'clock, up towards Grand Rapids around 1 o'clock, and then lasting all the way through overnight into Monday morning. By the time we get to Monday at about 7 a.m., that's when we're going to start to see a clearing from this. But if you're heading outside right now, nice conditions. Temperatures are still in the 30s. We had a gorgeous Saturday. Notice we are starting to see some of that colder air pool on in from the north to the south. So that's going to set the stage, that cold start for all that warm air to roll up and over tonight. So that's why we're not really worried about a rain-snow mix. The cold air is coming first. So overnight tonight, this is what to expect, light accumulations. When you join us on daybreak tomorrow, should have 1 to 2 inches of snow on the ground. Then as we get through your day, we'll start to see that heavy snow develop, especially around I-94. So that's going to be Sunday afternoon and evening that we see the heaviest totals. Then following that, the storm's not really over because then we get cooler air, gusty conditions, and wind chills of 10 to 15 below zero Sunday night into Monday. So Sunday, a high of 19, but temperatures falling from there. So Monday morning, single digits, and again, very cold, 10 to 15 below zero for our wind chills. So here's your future cast. You can see 7 o'clock tonight, some clouds rolling on through. And then once we get to 11, we start to see this shield of moisture spread up with light accumulations. Again, by 8 a.m., not a lot on the ground yet, but it's a long duration event. So from 8 a.m. to noon, we start to see those snow totals intensify, especially around the I-94 corridor and south towards the Indiana state line. Roads will definitely be difficult, and this lasts through 6 o'clock. Kickoff is at 6:30, so keep that in mind if you're heading out to certain Super Bowl parties. Then 7 a.m. Monday, we start to see that clearing, but at that point, a lot of locations have at least 6 inches of snow on the ground. So again, 1 to 2 by 8 a.m., and then if we play this through, by the time we get to Monday morning when the event is over, potentially 10 inches in Kalamazoo, close to a foot for Sturgis and Coldwater. Even our lakeshore communities, South Haven, Holland, have a chance of seeing 5 to even 8 inches of snow. Grand Rapids, I'm thinking right around 5 to 6. After that, 8-day forecast quiets down a bit, but we do have another chance of snow Tuesday into Wednesday. I think the big thing that I want to stress about this is be careful on the roads. It's going to last a while. And then just remember that cold air is coming. This is not all about snow. Sunday into Monday, it's going to be cold.
Yeah, and there's going to be a lot of people out there. So
yep. Shoveling.
Careful.
Yes.
Yeah. Ellen, thank you.